Welcome to channel TechDevil. I don't think people understand just how game-changing the new ASUS ROG Phone 8 Pro is. Hey, what's up everyone? It's MKBHD here, and the mobile gaming scene just got serious. We've seen a surge in awesome gaming phones. Devices specifically engineered to dominate any mobile game you throw at them. And leading the charge is ASUS with their Republic of Gamers, ROG, line. Today we're diving deep into their latest and greatest, the ROG Phone 8 Pro. This isn't just a spec bump, guys. We're talking next-level engineering and design, all geared towards giving you the ultimate mobile gaming advantage. ASUS took everything great about previous ROG phones and cranked it up to 11. From the insanely powerful processor to the ridiculously responsive display, the ROG Phone 8 Pro is a gamer's dream come true. Whether you're a casual mobile gamer or a hardcore esports enthusiast, this phone demands your attention. ASUS has packed it with features you won't find anywhere else, pushing the boundaries of what a smartphone can be. Buckle up because we're about to explore the beastly power and innovative features of the ROG Phone 8 Pro. Trust me, you're gonna want to see this. Let's get right into it. First things first, let's talk power. The ROG Phone 8 Pro is an absolute beast, rocking the latest and greatest Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. This thing absolutely chews through demanding games, delivering buttery smooth frame rates and lag-free performance. We're talking flagship-level power here, folks, built to handle anything you throw at it. But it's not just about raw processing power. ASUS has optimized every aspect of this phone for gaming. The massive RAM ensures seamless multitasking, so you can switch between games, apps, and live streams without breaking a sweat. Plus, the generous storage options mean you can keep your entire game library right on your device. And let's not forget about the battery life. We all know how demanding mobile gaming can be, but ASUS has you covered. The ROG Phone 8 Pro boasts a massive battery that's built to last through hours of intense gameplay. And when you do finally need to recharge, the super fast charging capabilities will get you back in the game in no time. Now let's talk about the display, because that's where the magic happens, right? The ROG Phone 8 Pro features a stunning AMOLED display with an insanely high refresh rate. This translates to unbelievably smooth visuals and responsiveness, giving you a competitive edge in fast-paced games. We're talking colors that pop, deep blacks, and incredible clarity. And with its high-touch sampling rate, every tap, swipe, and gesture is registered instantly. This level of responsiveness is crucial for competitive gaming, giving you the precision and accuracy you need to dominate. But it's not just about the display technology itself. ASUS has also paid incredible attention to the overall design and ergonomics of the phone. The bezels are minimal, maximizing screen real estate, and the phone itself is comfortable to hold for extended gaming sessions. This is a device designed by gamers, for gamers. Section 4. Beyond the specs, cooling, control, and customization. Now, packing all this power into a smartphone presents a challenge. Heat. But ASUS has addressed this with their advanced cooling system. The ROG Phone 8 Pro stays cool even under the most demanding gaming loads, ensuring consistent performance and preventing thermal throttling. But what truly sets this phone apart is its focus on control and customization. ASUS has integrated ultrasonic AirTrigger buttons, providing you with shoulder triggers for a console-like gaming experience. These buttons are pressure-sensitive and customizable, giving you unparalleled control over your games. And let's not forget about software. The ROG Phone 8 Pro runs on a near-stock version of Android, but with ASUS's Armoury Crate software overlay. This powerful software suite gives you granular control over your phone's performance, allowing you to overclock the CPU and GPU, customize the RGB lighting, and fine-tune your gaming experience. Section 5. A legacy of innovation, ROG Phone 8 Pro versus its predecessors. Now, you might be thinking, okay, this all sounds amazing, but how does it compare to previous ROG phones? Well, let me tell you, ASUS hasn't just rested on their laurels. The ROG Phone 8 Pro takes everything that made its predecessors great and cranks it up a notch. We're talking a significant jump in processing power, an even more responsive display, and improvements to the already impressive cooling system. ASUS has also refined the design, making the ROG Phone 8 Pro even more comfortable to hold and use for extended gaming sessions. But it's not just about incremental upgrades. ASUS has also introduced new features and innovations, like the enhanced AirTrigger buttons and the even more robust software customization options. The ROG Phone 8 Pro is a testament to ASUS's commitment to pushing the boundaries of mobile gaming. Section 6. The Game Changer. Why the ROG Phone 8 Pro raises the bar. So, there you have it, guys. The ASUS ROG Phone 8 Pro is more than just a smartphone, it's a statement. It's a declaration that mobile gaming has arrived, and it's here to stay. With its unmatched performance, stunning display, and innovative gaming-centric features, the ROG Phone 8 Pro raises the bar for what a mobile gaming device can be. This phone isn't just for the hardcore gamers out there. It's for anyone who wants the best possible mobile gaming experience. It's for those who demand the highest performance, the smoothest visuals, and the most responsive controls. The ASUS ROG Phone 8 Pro is a game changer, plain and simple. It's a phone that pushes the boundaries of what we thought was possible, delivering an experience that rivals dedicated gaming handhelds. So, if you're serious about mobile gaming, this is the phone to beat. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated. See you next time.